Children, so online classes in front of you, myself Vandana. So today we will do the children revision work of this poem. The name of the poem is Little Drops of Water. So children, let us see here. First I will read this poem, then I will explain you in a short summary, then we will move to the word meaning and the difficult word of this poem I will explain you in the last. So let us start. First I will read this poem. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. So the movements, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. So the movements, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love help to make earth happy like the heaven above. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love helps to make earth happy like the heaven above. So children, these are the reading of Little Drops of Water. So I will explain you in the short summary. In the first stanza, the poet is explaining that how little things have great importance in life. The poet, some factor of the universe, that little drops of water make huge oceans and tiny sand particles make the beautiful lands. This is really a heart-touching poem, and in the second stanza, the poet explains that the little movements of life, even as small as humble they may be, collectively turn into ages, and these ages make eternity of the whole lifetime. The poet friendly words, but these words have great meaning and impact on us and illuminate a most neglected truth of life. In the third stanza of the poem, in this stanza, the poet gives the spectacular explanations that even tiny mistakes create a huge difference in life. Our little errors and mistakes lead the soul away. From doing so, we should prevent ourselves from in this way, that so that the heaven above and the together is like all over happiness. So in the last stanza, the poet that the little deeds of kindness and little words of love make the earth like the heaven, and the earth becomes a better place to live. Thus the little things make everyone happy and are greatly responsible to change our lives. She gives a explanations that how little kind deeds make all the difference. So this one is the short summary of this poem. So children, now let us move to the word meaning, or we can say that meaning of new words. First one is mighty. Mighty meaning strong, or we can say that powerful. Now the next one is pleasant. The meaning is nice. Third one is eternity. Eternity meaning is forever. Move to the next one. The next is deed. The meaning is action. Now move to the next one, humble. The meaning is simple, or we can say that ordinary also. Now move to the next one, movement, meaning a very short period of time. So these are the new words or meaning of this poem. We can see the difficult word also: grains, sand, mighty, pleasant, humble, eternity, kindness, heaven. So these are the difficult words of this poem. So children, this is the poem and the explanation of the poem, revision work we are doing. So we will move next. I will tell you the whole exercise portion in the next video. So thank you.